In this video, let's set up and test the idle state. I'm going to use some placeholder assets that I created. Let's get started by creating an animator controller. Let's next create an animation clip for the idle state. Let's update the idle animation clip with some placeholder assets. Let's make sure the animation is in a looping state, and let's create an empty state to test the transition. From here on, assign the scripts that we created. Let's just set the gravity scale to 0 for the rigid body so it just doesn't fall. Once all the scripts are assigned, just hit play to test.